give each and every one of us a resounding applause. Palakpakan naman dyan, come on. Please applause everyone, come on. Make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good evening. My name is Mayan from Cebu Wedding and Events MC. It is my pleasure to be your host for tonight's big event and a celebration of a decade and gainful Angel Blythe. At this juncture, help me welcome everyone with another thunderous applause. Palakpakan naman dyan, palakpakan. We all cheers. Let's all welcome the proud parents of our debutants. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Captain Federico Aragon Pelotas and Dr. Vilma Lastimosa Pelotas. Come on down. Please welcome Ken Frederick Lastimosa Pelotas, the brother of our debutant. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the artist. Annabelle Lastimosa numbers together with Reggie Lastimosa Coco. Give it up! And please welcome Joan Christy Lastimosa Thomas, Shy Eliza Lastimosa, Shuan Azra Lastimosa, Shane Eliza Lastimosa, and boys together with Bishop Tanya, Samuel Saliente. A round of applause.
A little bit of
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight calls for a big celebration. This is a gratitude night for all the ups and downs of the journey through life of our lovely birthday celebrant. At this juncture, let's give the family another round of applause. Palakpakan naman siya, everyone. And so before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, may I request the family to sit down for a while as we have a short AVP before we